Meaning of dying.
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 Dying. Dying refers to the process of a living organism ceasing to function and ultimately reaching the end of its life. This can happen slowly or quickly, and may involve physical symptoms such as weakness, pain, and difficulty breathing. Once an organism has died, it is no longer alive and cannot perform the functions that it once did. The body will begin to decompose, eventually breaking down into its component parts through natural processes. Death is a natural part of the life cycle, but can be difficult for loved ones to come to terms with.